Have you ever tried to play a game and you don't know the rules? It's like, huh? That's how grown-ups feel about cars sometimes. Like they're playing a game, but they don't know how. Some people think only boys know about cars, but guess what? That's silly. Girls can learn too. Everyone can learn. Even grown-ups sometimes don't know much about cars, and that's not good. Because sometimes mechanics might try to charge you more money if they think you don't understand. It's like if you don't know the rules, you can't win. But don't worry, I made something called au2know.com to help. au2know.com is like a teacher for your car. It teaches you all about it. au2know helps you with two things. First, it helps you understand car problems. Online car experts help you understand the repairs your local mechanic says your car needs. Second, it teaches you how to take care of your car. This helps you avoid problems and save money. With au2know.com, you'll feel super brave when you talk to a mechanic. They'll know you know what you're talking about. If you want this brand new toy, sign up for our email waiting list and we'll make sure you get it. And tell your friends and family about au2know.com. Let's help everyone drive with confidence.